Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the feast of Saint John, the Apostle and Evangelist. He is the author of the fourth Gospel, two epistles, and the book of Revelation. He is also known as the beloved disciple of the Lord. In our Gospel reading today, we hear about the resurrection narrative of our Lord Jesus Christ from the Gospel of the author himself, or the saint whom we are honoring today. And here, my dear brothers and sisters, on this third day of our Christmas octave, we are talking about the resurrection. Yesterday, it is about the death of the proto-martyr, and now about the resurrection. And so we can already see where our church is leading us. That the birth of Jesus, the birth of this baby, will be led in his death and resurrection. And this is the point of our church, that the nativity of the Lord is just the beginning. Umpisa lamang ito, at yung kapanganakan niya ay dadalhin tayo sa kanyang pag-aalin ng kanyang sarili sa krus at sa kanyang muling pagkabuhay. Now, in our gospel, when Mary Magdalene reported to them that the body of the Lord is missing, Peter and the other disciple went out and came to the tomb. They both ran, but the other disciple, probably this is John the Baptist or John the Evangelist, ran faster than Peter and arrived at the tomb first. Nauna at mas mabilis. Well, John the Evangelist, Saint John, is telling us or teaching us that when it comes to the Lord, there is that always feeling or calling of urgency. Meaning, kapag dating sa Panginoon, yung tugon ay laging dapat immediately. Kapag may tawag mula sa Diyos, pag ang Diyos ang tumawag, mayroong urgency sa tawag ng Diyos. Kailangan nating tumugon, kailangan nating iuna lagi ang Diyos. At ito yung, I think, bakit the beloved disciples ni John the Evangelist. Dahil lagi niyang inuuna si Lord. Sa buhay natin, sana magaya natin si John the Evangelist. Lagi natin iuna ang Diyos. Kung nais din natin maging mga kamahal-mahal na anak ng Diyos, o mga alagad ng Panginoon, tagasunod ng Panginoon, ang sekreto lang naman na tinuturo ni John the Evangelist, lagi nating unahin ng Lord. Nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share, at mag-subscribe sa Litao Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.